Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Beaulieu Road, the least used station in Hampshire on the Southwestern Main Line, where we'll be seeing services from CrossCountry and Southwestern Railway. And the date today is the 21st of August. It's a Thursday and the time is 1:30 in the afternoon. And there's no one here. There's not really much to see. They have a purchase machine, a permission to travel machine, which I'll have a look at. I don't think the announcements work because the train just shot past on platform 2 and I had no clue it was going to do that, and so I don't think we're going to be told when a train is due, so let's see what we'll get. The shelter is very minimal. You've just got a seat under the shelter. There's the train. Oh, there's a CrossCountry as well. Hey! Wow, look at those trees. That's cool. So I'm going to do a bridge walk over. This is the car park. So thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'm going to wrap this video up there and get my train back to Brockenhurst. I'll put a video out on Saturday about like this station and filming all the different aspects of it, and it'll be called like Beaulieu Road, the least used station in Hampshire or something like that. So it's been a good time. I've seen 3 trains. Well, I've actually seen 4, but I haven't filmed them all. Here comes my train. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. And remember to stay alert. We've put 3 extra passengers on the passenger numbers today, so that's an achievement. Right, let's get in the quiet zone.
Alright, better go.
Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.